brand new battery. Battery in. Okay, now remote on. Will bind. I can go up. Try to keep this in the picture. You can go right, left. I cannot go forward. No forward. Only no forward or reverse, as you can see. I'm not coming towards you. Only way I can do is this way or this way. Try to get back in the picture. Now, only these two ways. Only these ways. I cannot go forward or reverse. Now, when I hit the flip button, see if I can do this. I don't have to hit anything. Hitting nothing. Just flip button. Or all I have to do, it won't flip anyway. And if I try, it will only flip. Let's see if I can bring it back in the picture here. Okay. It will only flip this way. That way. If I try to go hit it, it will not go forward. It will only go sideways. It won't go. Back. So if I try to flip forward, it will not flip forward. It will only flip sideways. And move forward or backwards. So I think the remote is broken. Thank you.